Hi, it's Sandra, and today I want to show you some polishes that I ordered from London Town. I think that's the name of it. Let me look. Yeah, London Town. And I've never ordered from them before, so I was kind of excited to see how they, what their polish was like. And I paid $12.80 in each for the polishes, the two polishes that I got. And I believe that was with a discount, but I'm not positive. But I have never ordered from them. Thought I'd give them a chance and see how their polishes are. And you know what? I'll tell you, my favorite regular polish, non-gel polish, is probably from ILNP. I really love their polish. But I wanted to give London Town a chance to see how they're doing. And the two colors that I picked was... this one, they said they just came out with, it's called Champagne in Bed. And the other one is called Pampas Beige. Now, I'm always looking for a great beige. And I really wish I could find a beige stamping polish. But I haven't run across one that I like yet. But these are the two polishes I got from London Town. There they are right there. And these are a good size. They're not really, really small. So if I put this next to a Maniology bottle, you can see that they're bigger bottles. They're, let's see if it says on here. On the bottom. Nope, doesn't say what size bottle it is. Let me see if it says it on the receipt. Nope. Don't see it on the receipt, but you can see that they're a good size, so it'll last for a while. So let's go ahead and paint these nails. I put the sticky base coat down, and now I'm going to do Pampas Beige first. All right. I think this is a very pretty beige. Ooh, very pretty. Covers very, very well. Very creamy. No problems. Okay. There's the beige. Now let's try this champagne color. And it's a kind of a beige, pinky beige. And it has lots of sparkle in it. So it kind of reminds me of ILNP polish. Now this is not as opaque, so it definitely will take a couple of coats, but I do think it's gorgeous. I love that little sparkle that it has in it. You know how I am about sparkle. Let me see if I can find my ILNP kind of beigey sparkly polish. So it's it. Here it is. Okay, so this one is ILNP, and this one is called Prancer. Let's do a nail on Prancer, see what the difference is. Since I've got, wait for these to dry anyway. Let's put this here, put this here. All right, let's give Prancer a little nail here, see what that looks like. Okay, so this is from ILNP, another great polish, one of my favorites. It's pretty similar, and it's about as opaque as the other one. These are pretty close. Yeah, they're almost, I'd say they're identical. They just call theirs something different. Okay, let's put this beige on here. Very pretty beige. I like that. So ILNP Prancer is there in the middle. So let's do this one. The London Town Champagne in Bed. It is a very pretty polish. You know, God, can I even say I can't even say it's pinker. Well, I don't know. I mean, they look almost alike, almost identical. Let's see if we get another coat on here, if it changes. That's weird. That's why I was attracted to it, because I'm attracted to the same colors. Okay, so now that the second coat of the ILNP Prancer is on, you can definitely see that the ILNP is a little smidge darker than the London Town. So there we have it. But they are very similar, and they both have that little teeny glitter in it that I really love. I really love it because it's not overpowering. So I'm going to give these two one more coat and see what they look like, and then we'll put a top coat over it. This one, this beige, is definitely doesn't need any more coats, but I think this one right here, I think it's not a bad idea to give them their third coat. So we'll let them dry a little bit. All right, let's try the Prancer again. ILNP. This was ILNP's one of their Christmas collections. It came with a red and a green, and I believe all of them had this small holographic glitter in it. So they are really pretty polishes. When I use regular polish, I really like to use the ILNP. They're just easy to apply, and they're just I think they're just like sophisticated. I don't know why, but I do. And I do believe that this London Town is a nice polish as well. All right, so there we go. There are the three colors, three beiges. I'm going to let those dry again, and then we're going to put a top coat on it. So this one is, I think, truly a nice light beige. This one by ILNP is gorgeous. It's just a darker beige, and I think you could, these would probably be cool using them together. I think those would be really cool. Yeah, I think those would be really cool with some designs on them. Maybe like leaving that one couple fingers with that with no stamping, and maybe putting some stamping on this one, the other three with that. I think that would be gorgeous. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my favorite top coat, regular top coat, which is Glisten and Glow. There's something on this brush. Something. Okay. And this is a quick drying top coat. Okay. All right, so there you go. I guess I should call this the Battle of the Browns or the Battle of the Beiges. That's kind of what this video is. So there you go. If you've never heard of London Town, try it. I do think their polishes are really nice, and they were reliable. I got the polishes within a few days. I don't have anything bad to say about them. I did kind of skip around in there, and it looked like they had a ton of different colors, but I was so interested in this champagne in bed because I love these beiges that I really didn't look hard at the other ones, but they had lots of colors. So take a look, poke around in their website, see what you like, And don't forget about ILNP because they have gorgeous polishes as well. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.